Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss business statistics for second year. In this video, we will discuss about the model paper structure, the most important short questions and long questions. And then we will discuss about past papers, what were the most important questions in the past papers. And we will see the solutions for the multiple choice questions. So watch till end and let's get started. In the model paper, as you can see here in section A, total marks are 10. You have 10 multiple choice questions. Let's go through. The branch of statistics, which deals with the testing of hypotheses and inferences about population parameters, is called inferential statistics. A small representative part of population is called sample. The cumulative frequency of the last class is less than cumulative frequency distribution is always equal to sum of f. Total of relative frequencies is 1. If the arithmetic mean of 20 values in 10, then sum of x is equal to 200. If y is equal to 100 minus 25x and x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 25. When price of a year is divided by the price of the preceding year, price we get linked relative. If all the values are not equal to importance, the index number is called weighted index number. If A and B are independent event, PB is equal to 0.4 and PAB is equal to 0.3, then PA is equal to what? 0.9. The, the probability of an event lies between 0 and +1. In the model paper, section B, total marks would be 24. Attempt any 8 parts. The answer to each part should not exceed 3 to 4 lines. Each question carries 3 marks. And these are the most important questions. Make sure you practice these questions. Define discrete variable and continuous variable. What is difference between primary and secondary data? Define classification and tabulation. Define statistic and parameter. The reciprocals of the values of the variable x are 0.0500, 0.0400, 0.0200, 0.0285, 0.0143. Find x. Given sum of x minus 10 is equal to 2.8 and is equal to 5, find x. Number 7, average weight of 10 students is 60 kilogram and average weight of 15 students is 64 kilogram. Find average weight of all 25 students. Number 8, define simple and composite index numbers. Number 9, find index numbers from the following data by taking 1972 as base year. So this is the given data. You have to find the index numbers. Number 10, a card is selected from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that the card is red or black? Number 9, define permutation and combination. In section C, attempt any 2 questions. All questions carry equal marks. You just have to attempt 2 questions. These are total 3 questions. Each question carry 8 marks. So these are the most important questions. Make sure you practice these. Find mean, median, and mode of the following frequency distribution. These are the given data. Question number 4 is from the following data, find index number for 2002 on the basis of 2001 by Laspier's formula, Pausch's formula. Show that Fisher ideal index is square root of the product of Laspier's and Pausch's index. So this is the given data. You have to find out and evaluate A, B, and C. Question number 5 is a pair of dice is rolled. Find the probability that sum of faces is 7. B, both faces are same. Sum of faces is greater than 9. So these are the most important questions you have to practice. Let's go through some of the past papers as well. In the business statistics past papers, these were the multiple choice questions. Let's go through. A value which does not change is called constant. Total angles in a pie chart are 360 degree. If y is equal to 2x plus 5 and x is equal to 5, then y will be the value which divides a range data into two equal halves is called median. Mode of the given data is 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 3. Pn divided by Po into 100 is equal to price relative. If Laspier's price index number is 200, Pausch's price index number is 200, then Fisher price index number is 200. When two dice are rolled, then total number of possible outcomes will be 36. The probability of drawing a red card out of 52 card is 1 by 2. Probability of an impossible event is 0. In the past paper, section B, these were the questions. Make sure you practice at least one time before the examination. Answer any 8 parts briefly. What is meant by population and sample? Differentiate between grouped and underground data. If x is equal to 10 plus 5u, sum of fu is equal to 46, sum of f is equal to 125, then find arithmetic mean. Number 4 is compute median from the following observations. So this is the given data and you have to compute the median. If mode is equal to 25, median is equal to 30, find the value of mean. Distinguish between weighted and unweighted index number. Find index number from the following data, taking average of all 5 years as base. So this is the given data. Number 8 is if sum of P naught, Q naught is equal to 350, sum of P and Q naught is equal to 422, find base year weighted index number. Number 9, in how many ways the word statistics can be arranged? For any two events A and B, P is equal to this, PA is equal to this, PAUB is equal to this, and PANB is equal to this. Find PB is equal to what? Find the probability of two tails if two coins are tossed. So these were the important questions in the past paper. In section C, these are 3 questions. You have to attempt 2. Following table gives frequency distribution of heights of college students. Find arithmetic mean of frequency distribution and find mode of the frequency distribution. So this is the given data. Compute chain index number from the following price data. Number 5 is two dice are rolled once, find the probability that the sum appears on two faces is greater than 10, below 6, exactly 7, complete square. Let's go through another past paper. Our data collected first time is called primary data. Height of student in a class is an example of continuous variable. Graph of a frequency distribution is called histogram. The systematic arrangement of data into rows and columns is called tabulation. The model letter of word statistics, S and T both. Price relative is percentage ratio of current year price and base year price. If all the values are of equal importance, the index number is called unweighted index number. An index number that measures the average relative change in the price of a single variable is called simple index number. If three coins are tossed, the total number of possible outcomes of a sample space will be 8. The probability of an event always lies between 0 to +1. Business statistics, section B, in the past paper, these were the most important questions. Let's go through the most important short questions. Differentiate between descriptive and inferential statistics. Calculate class boundaries, midpoint, and cumulative frequency of the following distribution. What is meant by arithmetic mean, median, and mode? Calculate median and mode of these numbers. For a frequency distribution, if arithmetic mean is equal to 40 and median is equal to 38, find the value of mode. Number 4 is calculate arithmetic mean by shortcut method from the following deviations. If sum of P1 Q naught is equal to 1760, sum of P naught Q naught is equal to 1430, sum of P1 Q1 is equal to 2110, sum of P naught Q1 is equal to 1715, compute Laspier's, Porsches, and Fisher price index numbers. Differentiate between fixed base and chain based method in index number. Compute price index number taking 2010 as base. So these are the given data. A fair cubical die is rolled once. Find the probability of A, odd number, B, number more than 1, C, number divisible by 2. What is meant by random experiment sample space? In past papers section C, these were the questions. Make sure you practice at least once. Calculate arithmetic mean, median, and mode from the following frequency distribution. Question number 4 is compute chain indices from the following prices using arithmetic mean, median as an average. So this is the given data. A pair of pair dice are thrown once. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers on both upper faces is 9. The sum of the numbers on both upper faces is an even number. The same number appears on both faces. The sum of the numbers on the both upper faces is less than 6. So this is the structure, the most important questions from the model paper and some of the past papers. Make sure you share this paper with your classmates. If you have any question regarding this model paper or past papers, you can leave a comment below. I will see you in the next model paper. Till then, Allah Hafiz.